I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in powdered milk followed by sugar, vanilla extract. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I then added in dry active yeast and then stirred till well combined before adding in egg and warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm. After, stir together till well combined again and add in the dry ingredients. So I'll go in with the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, and then I'll mix till well combined and until it forms a dough. So once it has formed a dough, I'll transfer it on my work surface, add in just a little bit of flour, and then knead it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and spread the dough as demonstrated in the video and add in softened butter and salt, which is the last ingredient. So once the salt is added, go ahead and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want a stretchy dough, so please play with the dough, and then when done, go ahead and divide it into 2 equal parts. After dividing, keep one aside, but please make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. So the one left, make sure you spread it and then sieve in a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I then added in chocolate brown color. It makes it like you get the dark color, so it really helps. If not, if you have dark chocolate, you can add it to it and then mix it well combined. So this is the color I went in for. You can make yours somehow light than this one, but it's all okay. And then transfer it back on in the bowl and then let it rest for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, deflate the dough and then use a rolling pin to roll it out. So this is what you're looking for. And then the chocolate one, please make sure you roll it at the same length of the white one and then fold it as demonstrated in the video. So you want to make sure the lengths are the same, and then when putting it together, you don't want to put it together of the same level, just as demonstrated in the video. When done, flip it and sprinkle a little bit of flour on it and then roll it out again. You want to roll to the measurement of your baking pan. Flip it again and then roll the dough, but make sure you clean off any excess flour and roll it as seen in the video. And it's very simple. So when you get to this point, congratulations. All you have to do is use something that has a sharp edge like blade or knife, and then cut some long stripes as demonstrated in the video, and then let it sit until it has doubled in size. So that's what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. Now put it in your baking pan and then let it double in size, but please make sure you cover it with a cling film. So once it has doubled in size, go ahead and brush on top with egg wash, and this bad boy is ready to be baked. Bake this at 175 degrees Celsius from 18 to 20 minutes. 175 degrees Celsius from 18 to 20 minutes. And guys, just look at it. This is beautiful. This is called sweet bread. It's so delicious. It's super moist, and I hope you give this amazing recipe a try. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and then make sure you share. Please don't forget to share. Let's grow up Gina channel, Gina Amon channel together. And look at this, guys. This is delicious. See you in my next video. God bless you all. Till then, bye.